What's up everyone? If you're like me, you're always looking for a new side hustle or opportunities to make money online. So you probably have seen these videos claiming you can make $500 or $1,000 a day just by using Google Maps. So are these ideas legit or are they just clickbait? Let's find out. If you are looking for some legit ways to make money online that provides actual payment proof, then definitely check out the content on this channel. For example, I have a video about how I make money online and I have worked from home with a company called CrowdGen. And in that video, I actually show you legit payment proof and show you how much I'm actually making. So if you like this type of content, then please like and subscribe to support the channel. So I don't want to waste your time and I'll get to the point. And I'll tell you that these videos about making money with Google Maps are definitely clickbait. Now let's break down why and share some realistic ways that you can make money with Google Maps or other methods to make money online that I have actually used. So first, let's talk about what do these videos actually claim. And basically, to summarize it, they say that you can find businesses on Google Maps that don't have a strong presence online, offer your services to improve their presence and get paid. Some of them even say that you just need to message a few businesses and you can earn up to $500 a day without any skills. Some even say all you got to do is just copy and paste, as you can see in this video here. And it sounds too good to be true, and the reason is because it is. So based on those videos, here's how this process usually works. You go to Google Maps and you search for something like plumbers in Dallas. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna look for the businesses that have really poor listings. So basically, if they have no website, low reviews, or they have an unclean profile. And essentially what you'll do is you'll be researching, looking for these different types of businesses, and then you'll find their contact information and you'll call or email them offering to help them build their online presence. And these videos claim that you can charge them $200 to $500 for that service. So it actually sounds like a logical business proposition, and that's because it mirrors real business models, but here's where it falls apart. So the main issue with this process is that you have to do something called cold calling or emailing, and that has a super low response rate, like less than 1%. So 9.999 times out of 10, when I get a random phone call from someone or a random email that comes to me from someone I don't know, or even if somebody just comes to my door trying to sell me their service, it usually ends in me closing the door or hanging up the phone. So most small business owners get spammed every single day and they ignore these emails and phone calls. Also, you're gonna really need very good sales skills and technical knowledge and the ability to build trust to close a deal with a random person that you're just calling up. So completing this process won't magically put money in your bank account. The other thing you need to remember is that your time is money. For this process to work, you have to research and spend hours sending out emails or making phone calls. And your hourly rate during this process is, you guessed it, $0 an hour. So you're essentially putting in all this time to possibly, potentially, maybe speak with someone and get business. And all that time, you're not making any money from it. Before we continue, if you are like me, then you are always looking for a quick and easy way to make a few bucks in your spare time. And that is why I love Survey Junkie. So if you want to make a few bucks from your phone, then use the link below in the description to create a free account and start making money from your couch. You can also check out my Survey Junkie review to see how much money I have made. So here's the truth. The content creators making these videos actually make more money from the video itself than actually using this process on Google Maps. So they're not really doing it, but instead they're selling the idea of doing it. And if you've watched these videos or researched this idea, then you'll find there are more people talking about it than actually doing it. As an example, let's do a quick breakdown of one of the most watched videos on this topic. So this particular creator made a video called "I Tried Making $800 in 4 hours with Google Maps." It has over 4 million views. So without going into the entire video, basically this creator claimed that they spent 4 hours on this process. And you'll see that throughout the video that they had a timer that was counting down. But if you dig deeper, most likely what is occurring is that the creator is actually sitting in one spot and they're just using video editing tools to fast forward the video and fast forward the time clock to make it seem as though that 4 hours has actually gone by. The other thing about this video that's important is that there's no actual proof of them making money. It's really just them telling you how much that they made without you actually seeing it. Now, this video topic was so popular for this creator and got so many views that they essentially did the exact same video about a year later on basically the same exact topic. And once again, if you actually watch the video, you'll kind of see how they basically manipulated the time to make it seem as though this is something really worthwhile to do. And if I'm gonna be honest, as a content creator myself, it is really tempting to just make these clickbait videos and get a bunch of views. And I won't lie to you and tell you that it wouldn't be great to get all these views on this topic, but what I'm actually trying to do is actually give you authentic and honest reviews of things that I've actually done myself or things that I know that actually work. And so if you want the algorithm to give you more great content like this, then make sure you like and subscribe, because ultimately clickbait videos exist and they're successful because people like and subscribe. As you can see, this video has over 49,000 likes. And if we go back to the other video, it has 90,000 likes as well. So unless you're telling the algorithm that you want honest and realistic side hustles or ways to work remotely, this is what it's going to continue to feed you. So make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, because that's what I'm trying to do, is give you more honest and authentic information. Now, to be fair, there are actual legit ways that Google Maps can be useful in certain legit business models, but you need real work behind it. So some of the ideas are definitely becoming a local guide or having local SEO services or freelance website building. So these are actually some legit ways that you can make money with Google Maps. But once again, it takes time, it takes real work, and they are not get rich quick schemes. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.